back to my channel. Hi to each and every one of you guys watching. If you are new to my channel and you're a new viewer, hi, what's up? My name is Diana. Welcome to the Fam Bam. Anyways, guys, if you are a new viewer, barely seeing this, go ahead and subscribe down there, guys. Press the subscribe button. It is free for y'all. So I wanted to go ahead and do a video for you guys. If you are my old viewer, what's up, guys? Yeah, I already know the drill. What's up? Hi to each and every one of you guys watching. If you guys do like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That kind of does help me out a lot. And yeah, so I'm gonna be doing a spring makeup look for you guys today. This is what I came out with. I hope you guys do like the video. I'm gonna be using the Modern Renaissance palette. I know my palette is super beat up. I know it looks like crap, but you know, this one was one of my favorite palettes of all time, and I hit pan on 1, 2, 3 colors already. I stopped using this because I kind of like started buying more palettes, and then I just left this one behind. You know, this kind of does call to me springy colors. And this is what I use today. It's more like fall, springy-ish. You know, you can use it for whatever you want to look, any look you want. Basically, I used it for my spring look, so this is what I used. So yeah, and for a base, I am trying out this product. This is the Kat Von D eyeshadow base in light, and this is what it looks like. I'm trying out this product for the lid because I usually like using my MAC Painterly Lady Paint Pot, but I feel like this one is gonna be one of my favorites also. And yeah, that's about it, guys. If you guys do want to know the other products I've used, please let me know down below, and I'll go ahead and tell you guys on, you know, the comments. So yeah, that's about it, you guys. I will be inserting the clips right now so you guys can see this makeup look. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. These are the eyelashes that I'm going to be using and the eyelash glue. So the springy makeup look. I know I did kind of like too dark, but I feel like this is more springy for me. I would usually wear this on a daily basis if it is, but this video is mainly going to be like a spring look. The lipstick I did apply on is it's just a ColourPop a lip pencil. This one it's called Bound. It's just a lip liner, and I applied all over my lips, and that's it. I didn't apply any lipstick. This is all I applied, the lip liner. For the lashes, I apply lashes. I apply a little bit of highlight in my inner corner, of course, in my inner corner, and I like how that looks. I am using the Amrezy highlighter, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply more to my inner corner. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I'm just gonna apply more because this looks really pretty. So we're just gonna apply a little bit more. I don't know if you guys could see. This is the end of the results. Hopefully you guys do like the video. If you guys do like it, give me a thumbs up, guys. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys